USAFES.com. You might have heard of it. It's a website that claims to help people apply for the U.S. Green Card Lottery, also called the Diversity Visa. They say they guide applicants step by step, check your photos, help you fill out the form correctly, and even notify you if you get selected. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the big question. Is it really legit, or should you stay away? Let's break it down together. First, a positive sign. When we checked their WHOIS registration details, we found out the website has been around since 2001. That's over 20 years online. Usually, an older website can mean stability and credibility. A scam site probably wouldn't stick around that long, right? Next, we looked at their social media presence. They're active on X, LinkedIn, and even Instagram. That's usually a good thing because it shows they engage with people online and try to maintain a presence. Being on multiple platforms can make a brand feel more trustworthy. Then, we checked out their customer support. They provide an email, phone number, and even a physical address. That's helpful because if something goes wrong, you have ways to reach them. Good support usually points to a more reliable company. But here's where things get tricky. When we looked at user reviews, the picture isn't as clean. On their own website, they show glowing testimonials, but that's marketing, right? When we dug deeper, like on Trustpilot, they only have a 3.4-star rating out of 5, with over 560 reviews. That's mixed. Even more concerning, we found posts on Facebook and Reddit saying USFS might actually be a fraudulent service. People reported receiving fake green card offers, being asked for money, and losing significant amounts after sharing personal info. On Reddit, users warned that USAFS pressures applicants to pay large fees for lotteries that haven't even been announced yet. Here's the kicker. The Diversity Visa Lottery is free if you apply through the official U.S. government website. That means any middleman service asking for money, well, it's a huge red flag. So, what's the verdict? Even though USAFS looks professional, with a long history and active social media, multiple reports and user experiences point to serious red flags. Unsolicited emails, requests for sensitive information, and high fees for a free process? Not good. Our advice? Skip USAFS. Stick to the official U.S. government site for the Diversity Visa Lottery. It's free, safe, and official. That's it for today, friends. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. Stay safe online, and don't fall for scams.